My mother came from Tiki. My father came from Glasgow. Unfortunately, when I was 5, they separated. I was whāngai to my Scottish grandmother, who felt that it was best that I didn't identify with my Māori background. I was 16 before I learnt of my whakapapa Māori. It was pretty devastating actually, because for a long time I knew something was wrong. I couldn't speak Māori, but every time I heard Māori mispronounced, hurt my taringa. If ever there were Māoris in the room, I'd always go there. On reflection, the anger I felt was probably misplaced, because I think that they thought that they were doing the right thing. They were immigrants. They didn't think that identifying that I was Māori was going to be of value to me. I used to look in the mirror and say, why do I look like this and feel like that? But as I grew older, I thought, and being part of this community, Gisborne, that's not too bad. Pākehās don't realise there's a Māori in their company, so they aren't very careful about what they say when I'm around. I honestly do feel that I can relate to many of the young people that I deal with through places like Manatane or Māori Te because I've been there myself. I really do believe that for every raurau there's a huarahi, and that my kaupapa is to try and make every hoha I come across a koha. Now that's a pretty flip way of saying it, but I really believe that if there are enough people who are concerned enough to assist those in need, those who have should be helping those in need.